And Governor Abbott did pause reopening plans because of the spike in cases and increased hospitalizations. He says he is not reimposing occupancy restrictions at this time, though. Businesses that were allowed to open under the state's previous reopening phases can continue to operate. Restaurants, though, will only operate at 75% capacity. And the governor's also ordered all hospitals in Bexar County to suspend elective surgeries. That new executive order is to ensure hospital beds are available for coronavirus patients as those cases continue to rise and if they're needed. The governor says the measure also covers hospitals in Dallas, Travis, and Harris counties. The Texas Medical Center reached 100% capacity Thursday. They could pass emergency surge capacity in just 2 weeks.